Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Temu app. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to download and install the Temu application on your mobile device. And once you tap on the icon of Temu, you will see this type of interface in front of you where you will be given bunch of different options to sign up on Temu. Like you can continue with Google, you can continue with your Facebook account, you can continue with your email account, and you can even just create your account with the help of your phone number. So you need to select the method with the help of which you want to basically create your account on Temu. I want to create my account with my email address, so I'm simply going to provide that, and after doing so you just have to simply tap on the confirm option. It may also ask you to verify your email address if you choose your email address option, and this way you will be able to easily sign up on Temu and place your orders and get them at your doorstep. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more this type of tricks. Thank you so much for watching.